Hi everyone, this is Kaif. Welcome to our first lecture series for machine learning. In this video, we will be learning about what is machine learning, its definition, key concepts in machine learning, types of machine learning, importance of machine learning, and applications of machine learning. So let's dive into the video. Please make sure to watch the video completely so you can have better understanding of this topic. So what is machine learning? Machine learning ML is a subfield of artificial intelligence that focuses on the development of algorithms and statistical models that enable computers to learn and make decisions from data. Instead of being explicitly programmed to perform a task, machine learning systems improve their performance based on experience and data. So this means like machine learning is a subfield of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a vast or a big field. In this, there exists the concept of machine learning that focuses on developing algorithms and statistical models that helps computer to learn and make decisions from data. In this concept of machine learning, we train or we make the machine learn or the computer to learn and make decisions from using the data. Instead, being programmed like applications in which we program the applications to perform a task, machine learning systems improve their performance based on experience and data. So let's understand key concepts in machine learning. Data, algorithms, and models are the key concepts in machine learning. So what is data in machine learning? Machine learning relies on large amount of data to learn patterns and make predictions. In machine learning, it's like mainly related to data, in which machine learning relies on data heavily to learn patterns and make predictions and decisions based on the data that is provided or it learns from the data. Second is algorithms in machine learning. These are the rules or set of rules or procedures that the systems follow to process data and learn from it. Algorithms can be procedures, rules that the user or system makes the machine to learn from that algorithm to process data and learn from it. Algorithm can be understood by understanding that it can be a rules in which the machine has to play within that. Machine has data and it has set of rules which can be algorithms in which it has to learn and process and provide the value to the users from this data with a set of rules of algorithms. And the third is models in machine learning. The output of machine learning algorithms models are used to make predictions and decisions based on new data. The output of machine learning algorithms in the above which I have mentioned are the set of models that are used to make predictions and decisions based on new data. Models used to make predictions based on the data or new data. So next is types of machine learning. There exist three types of machine learning, that is supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. So the first is supervised learning. Supervised learning model is trained on labeled dataset, which means that each training example is paired with an output label. The goal is to learn a mapping from inputs to outputs. For example, predicting house prices based on features like size, location, and number of bedrooms. So what is supervised learning? Supervised learning can be understood by like we have provided a template for the machine to learn, like machine knows what is the right answer for the questions and it is trained on that template. Like question is like what is supervised learning, and if you provide the answer that is yes, it learns from that example which we have provided. It is, and you can understand this like we have provided template or label data set in which the data is or the machine algorithm learns from that data set or the template. So the second is unsupervised learning. It is simply the opposite of supervised. In supervised, we have provided template or the idea for the machine to learn from the data. Like we have provided template by saying like this is the right answer. We have to learn from that example to make predictions for the data. In unsupervised learning, we don't provide the template or the correct answers for the machine to learn. In this unsupervised learning, machine learns with itself by its algorithms. So let's understand the definition. The model or the unsupervised learning is trained on unlabeled dataset and must find patterns and relationships in the data without explicit instructions on what to learn. So as I mentioned, it learns without instructions on what to learn. For example, grouping customers into different segments based on purchasing behavior. So unsupervised learning, machine learns from its own and it analyzes the patterns that are repeating to learn from the data and to provide the value. So the last one is reinforcement learning. This reinforcement learning learns by interacting with an environment and receiving feedback in the form of rewards or punishments. The goal is to learn a policy that maximizes the cumulative reward. In reinforcement learning, machine learns without a template and it learns like in the same that was for unsupervised. In this, there's a twist. Machine learns with the input that if the answer or the prediction that machine makes is correct, we provide one reward. We can say that that is the correct answer to the machine to know that they have done a right job. And if they have provide the wrong prompt or wrong output for the learning, we can say this is a wrong. So machine learns from that input and output from the user. For example, training robot to navigate a maze by learning which actions lead to a successful outcomes. So yeah, it is like we are providing the punishment or rewards based on or the feedback based on the learning that the output the machine gives to you. So if the output is correct, we can say that is a correct, or we can reward by saying yes, this is correct for the machine to learn. And if the output is incorrect, we can say it is a wrong, for the machine knows like this is the correct way to learn and this is the wrong output. So it learns with our feedback. So let's understand importance of machine learning. So if you are enjoying this video and finding this video insightful, make sure to like, share and subscribe so you cannot miss the future videos which I will be posting. Importance of machine learning: automation, improved decision making, personalization, innovation. Importance of machine learning in automation is machine learning enables automation of complex and repetitive tasks, increasing efficiency. Machine learning automates of complex like repetitive tasks and increases the efficiency, and it improves the decision making also. And machine learning models can analyze vast amount of data and uncover insights that human might miss. So ML models can analyze vast amount of data, bulk amount of data, and uncover, like it can discover the insights that humans might miss. They can provide valuable insights that can be used in businesses to increase the sales and many more uses. So yeah, that's the improved decision making in machine learning. So you understand now the personalization in machine learning. Machine learning powers personalized recommendations in services like streaming platforms and online shopping. So machine learning personalizes recommendations. Yeah, I believe you would know, like we get recommendations of the product in Google and many services. Like if you search something on the Google, you will get related products on the ads. So it uses machine learning to know what a user can buy based on their search, based on the data which we provide to the device or apps or anything. The machine learning learns that these users would like these features in online shopping products and services. And for innovation in machine learning, that is, this drives advancement in various fields such as healthcare, finance and transportation by solving complex problems and creating new solutions. So that was the importance of machine learning. So let's understand applications of machine learning. In healthcare field, machine learning is used in diagnosis of diseases, predicting patient outcomes and personalizing treatment plans. And in finance, it is used in fraud detection, algorithmic trading and credit scoring. And in retail, it is used in recommendation systems, inventory management and customer segmentation. And in transportation, it is used in autonomous vehicles like Tesla vehicles, that runs on understanding the route and the directions that is programmed for the vehicle to run where to go without the user driving the car, and in route optimization and traffic prediction. And in entertainment industry, it is for content recommendation, user preference analysis, and generative art. I believe you would know YouTube recommendations. It recommends based on the data which you use, like which you watch the videos and everything. You get the recommendation on the videos. So this works on machine learning. It learns from the data that you provide and recommend. And machine learning is a powerful tool that continues to evolve, driving innovation and transformation in industries by enabling computers to learn from data and to make intelligent decisions. So this was it for the video. I hope you find this video helpful and insightful. And for this part, we have a quiz here in this lecture. You can understand the concepts in this video and try to give the answers for these questions, so you can have better understanding of the topics which we have discussed in this video. So yeah, I have like 14 questions in this. So this is like first 3. Pause the video and you can answer in the comments, so you can process or store the knowledge which you have get in this video. So yeah, this is 6th, 9th, 12th and 14th. So yeah, this is the concept in machine learning of the first lecture. Watch the playlist completely and make sure to like, share, subscribe so you cannot miss more videos from my end. That's it. Thanks so much. Have a good day. Bye.